Hello everyone. Worksheet 4, question 4 and 5. Question 4 is find the value of. So we have to solve it to get its value. Solve the power first. So it would be 6 minus 6. 3 into 2, 6 minus 6. Use the BODMAS. So 5 by 7. 6 minus 6 would be 0. So as you know it very well, anything power 0 will always be equals to 1. Second part, 3 power 0 means 1 plus 4 power 0, 1 and 5 power 0 is 1. Now solve it. 1 plus 1, 2, multiply 1, so 2 is the answer. Third part, 1 power 0, 1, 2 power 0, 1. Similarly, 3 power 0, 1, 4 power 0, 1, 5 power 0, 1 and 6 power 0, 1. Now, how will you solve it? First, we will multiply the multiplication terms. We will solve the multiplication sum part. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3 is the answer. In fourth part, again first we will solve the power by using the BODMAS. So which thing we will solve first? Multiplication part we will solve first. So multiplication will be 3 into 2, that is 6, and then minus 3. So minus 5 by 9. What should be next step? 9 minus 6 minus 3. So minus 9. So minus 5 by 9 power 0. So anything power 0 is 1. So this is having 1 as the answer. Question number 5. Question number 5 is very important. Question is find the value of x. Means you have to find the value of x such that both the terms are equal to each other. So in this case, let's go for the steps. So first we will solve the bracket as much as we can. So 3 by 4, 3 multiply 3. You will multiply the power. So 3 by 4, 2x plus 1 equal 3 by 4 power 9. Observe here 3 by 4 and here also 3 by 4 and there is equal sign. It means that this term and this term, both of them are equal. And when, in which condition both of them will be equal? If the powers of both of them are equal, then only these two are equal to each other. So you will write one statement, since bases are same. Bases are same. How they are same? Because on both the sides the bases are 3 by 4. So bases are same. Therefore, equate the power. Equate means equal. Equate the powers or exponent. So it means this implies 2x plus 1 equal 9. Why it is equal? Because the bases are same. So bases same hai. It means that the power should be equal. So we will keep 2x plus 1 equal 9. Now we will solve it further. How to solve? How to get the value of x? You will shift 1 on the other side. So it will become minus 1. So 2x equal 8. So what should be next step? How will you find out? X equal, what should be next step? X equal 8 upon 2. Cancel it. So it means that x would be 4. X is the 4 as a answer. So the value of x is 4 here. Second part. First we will solve these two terms together. So we will be getting 2 by 5. Multiplication, bases are same, so add the powers. Now 2 by 5, on the other side it is 3x. So it would be 2 by 5 power 9 and 2 by 5 power 3x. Now again observe here, the bases are same on both the sides of equal. So therefore we will equate the power. So we will write since bases are same, therefore equate the power. But if the bases are not same, then you can't equate the power. So you have to remember this thing, that if the bases are same, then only you can equate the power. So 9 equal 3x, so x would be 9 upon 3. Now cancel it. So you are getting 3 equal x or x equal 3 as a answer. Third part. In third part, it is in the division form. So bases are same. So first we will solve it. How to solve the power of the division? First power minus second power and write the next term as it is of the equal side. Now minus 1 by 5 power, but it should be 5, and equal minus 1 by 5 power 5x. Now observe it. Again you are getting same base. So what should be next statement? Since bases are same, so we can equate the power. Therefore, equate the powers. So this implies equate the power of 5 equal 5x. So what should be the value of x? 5 upon 5 equal x. Cancel it. So it means that x equal 1 as a answer. In fourth part, observe here it is 1 by 2, but this is not in the form of 1 by 2. So what should be first step? You will convert this 1 by 16 also in the form of 1 by 2. So 16, if you will make the factor of 16, it will be 2 power 4. So how will you write it 1 by 16 in the form of 1 by 2? So 1 by 2 power 4, and this is 1 by 2 power 2, and on the other side 1 by 2, this 3, and in the bracket x minus 2. Now here, now the bases have become same and it is in the multiplication form, so add them together, powers will be added up. So add 4 plus 2, and on the other side we'll write it as it is. So 1 by 2 power 6 equal 1 by 2, and if you want you can solve the bracket here itself by multiplying 3 with x and 3 with 2. So it would be 3x minus 6. Open the bracket by multiplying 3 with x, so it will be 3x, and 3 with 2. Make sure about their sign. So 3 multiplied 2 is 6, and put the minus sign. Now observe, the bases are same on both the sides, so you will equate the power. So since bases are same, so what will you do? You will equate the powers. Therefore, equate the powers. So how will you write it further? 6 equal 3x minus 6. What should be next step now? Shift this minus 6 on the other side. So it will become 6 plus 6 equal 3x. So 6 plus 6, 12 equal 3x. Now next step, what it should be? What should be the next step now? क्या होगा? How will you solve it? 12 upon 3 equal x. Cancel it. 4. So the answer of x would be 4. So x equal 4 is the final answer. I hope these questions, these parts of this question is clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.